technology from where I started to where it is now is just mind-boggling, the change. The most significant change was the advent of the laptop computer. And the first people to come out with a laptop was Tandy. The Radio Shack people came out with a little tiny, it was absolutely a laptop computer. It sat on your lap. 8 lines of copy, 32 characters per line, and it contained 32K of memory. So you have to write 2 or 3 stories. You'd have to actually kill stories out to make room for more stories. And you could type your stories on there, and you could plug into your computer into these muffs, these phone muffs, and you dial the number of the computer back at the free press, and the thing would the free press computer would answer, and you would put the phone in the muffs and press a button, and if you were lucky, if you're really lucky, the story would arrive back at the free press about 3 or 4 minutes later. You could see it go line by line by line, and it would get there. But if you're at an arena at a hockey game like I was for much of my career, and somebody scored a goal late in the game or whatever, and there'd be a loud burst of noise and energy, it would almost invariably interrupt the signal, and you have to start all over again. So from there to writing on these high-speed internet connections that we have right now, to be able to write a story and hook into a Wi-Fi system somewhere in an arena now, and they all exist around the press boxes, and file your story, chat with your editors back at live chat with your editors back in the newsroom about how the game is going, how the story is going, and not even have to pick up a telephone to do any of this stuff. It's remarkable.